This is Animal Sounds with Alyssa and Daniela.
Are you ready for this? I don't think you're ready for this.
Think
Are you gonna like it? I will cut you.
Get ready to go!
Here we go, bitches!
Okay, ready?
Oink, oink.
Oink, oink.
Oink, oink. No. Quack, 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 quack. Woof, woof. Rawr. No.
Ready?
How does a freaking frog go?
The fuck was that?
I was trying to do fucking no, it's a frog goes. He goes.
No, you're just nasty.
No, that's the frog goes. Quack 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 quack.
What the fuck? Is a wolf? No, I'm like, this is the noise that a nigga makes. This is the noise that a nigga makes. A nigga animal. Like this. Ready? I'm not gonna say what you think you're gonna say because that'd be really bad and really racist, even though I'm not. I swear I'm not racist.
I'm not racist. She's the one that always making those racist comments.
I want to say nigga, but I don't mean nigga. I mean nigga.
Like when I say nigga, like I mean like hello friend, you know, like
nigga means like what's up cracker? Like Catherine's gonna die.
Oh, we have to go.
So